Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve square root x under square root x under square root x is equals to 2 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I am doing squaring both sides. So with the help of this square root eliminates. So x times under root x is equals to 2 square. Now again I'm doing squaring both sides. So it becomes x square times this square, remove this square root, x square root x is equals to 2 power. According to exponent rule, a power m power n, we can write it as a power m n. So 2 power 4. Again I'm doing squaring both sides. So it becomes x power 4 times x power 2 times this square root removes x is equals to 2 power 8. Now x power 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equals to 2 power 8. X power 7 is equals to 2 power 8. So we have to find the value of x. So I'm going to multiply with power 1 by 7 both sides. So x is equals to 2 power 8 by 7 or x is equals to 2 power 1 whole 1 by 7. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.